Getting started, setting up your site. When setting up a site in mobohubb for the first time, it's important to review the site configuration settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. To begin, open the menu on the left-hand side, expand Administration, and select Account Management. Here you'll find three main sections. Let's start with Site Information. Here you can configure your site's basic details, including the site name, the organizational structure it belongs to, the site type, and the site address. You can also enable or disable web app access, which allows employees to use a browser-based version of the mobile app. This is useful for users who share a computer instead of using a mobile device. Next, select whether your site will use QR codes or NFC tags for scanning activities, and make sure the site is marked as active. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save. Next is Branding and Time Settings. This section allows you to customize the platform with your company's branding or your client's branding. You can upload a logo for the mobile app, a logo for the web portal, and the web portal icon. You can also choose a primary color and add a site description if needed. Your branding will be reflected throughout the web portal, the mobile app, and any reports generated by mobohubb. Under Time Settings, you can configure your time zone, select either a 12-hour or 24-hour clock, choose your preferred date format, define the first day of the week, and set the standard start time for your operations. Finally, let's look at Mobile Configuration. This section contains settings that control how the mobile app behaves. Under GPS Polling, you can configure how location information is collected. The security settings determine whether users remain signed in or are required to log in each time they use the app. Within timesheet configuration, you can require employees to take a selfie whenever they clock in, clock out, start a break, or end a break. You can also enable auto clock out, which automatically clocks employees out after they reach the maximum number of allowed working hours. If you don't want to limit the number of hours worked, simply disable this option. The landing screen configuration allows you to customize the layout and order of the mobile app's home screen. In task configuration, you can choose how users complete tasks, such as by sliding to complete or by using checkboxes. The More menu configuration lets you customize the options that appear in the mobile app's More menu. You'll also find the Panic configuration, which is currently under development. Finally, under break configuration, you can choose how breaks are managed. You can enable automatic breaks based on a predefined duration, allow employees to start and end breaks manually, or disable breaks entirely if they are not required for your operation.